hello. Sorry, Dan back with Aldermo. As promised, today Sawyer really wants to do the testing video because we did say we would do it. So for G Fuel, we got 2 flavors already pre-mixed up. Fair warning, we have tried one of them before. Sawyer likes it. I'm so on it. Maybe I'll feel differently with the second taste testing here. One of them is one that neither of us have tried yet. So we did get a package for Bean from our buddy Yasir. Kind of just like a little cascade mix of randomness that he had that he didn't need for his collection or anything. That he showed me a couple things. I was like, oh yeah, Sawyer will definitely enjoy those. So you don't know what any of those are yet. Did you want to show these, Bean? Okay. We went back to GameStop the other day and they still had some of those mystery boxes, the mystery minis. And he did.
Now we get another black light.
Yeah, he did get another black light. Who is this?
Foxy.
Foxy. So he did get another Foxy. Show the one that's not a black light that you got 3 of them. No, well we did get. We already had one of this guy. Now you'd think he looks like a black light, but apparently he's not. He doesn't really go in the black light. Do you know who this is?
I don't know.
No, yeah, Bean doesn't know this, and I don't really know most of the Five Nights at Freddy guys. But Bean, you did get a 3rd one of that though, huh?
Yes, another Chica.
Another Chica. He has 3 of these ones right now. So.
But then you got another black light. And then you get Foxy.
No Foxy? Oh yeah, that's the only other one you need left, I think. So yeah, he wanted to show you guys that really fast. He was really excited that they had some more of those back in stock again. After the Easter Bunny gave him some, huh?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, so you want to do the tasting now? Okay. So for G Fuel, so which one do you want to start with? This one?
Gummy fish.
Okay, so we already pre-mixed them.
I really like the gummy fish.
Yeah, so this one is
The gummy fish.
the gummy fish one.
Let's try it.
Okay, so that's in this one. You want to shake it up a little bit more again? Here. Got it?
Oh, this is so cold.
Yeah. So here's what it looks like. Reddish pink in the shaker.
Try it.
Here, let's smell this bad boy, Bean. What's it?
Smells good. I like gummy fish.
Yeah, it definitely smells like straight up liquefied red gummy fish. Now, I'm surprised like didn't like this on my first. Is it good? Okay. Alright, that's enough for you, bud.
I really like them.
Yeah, because we're going to try that one, so you can't slug on this like you do your hydration stuff, so. Alright, bottoms up.
Daddy, I can't try that.
Yeah. So, I love actual red gummy fish. Bean loves gummy fish. But that thing is like, would you say that's like super sweet, Bean? To me, that's really sweet. Yeah? Yeah?
Try the next one.
Try the next one? Well, hold on, here. What would you, out of 10, what would you give Raging Gummy Fish? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10? What would you say?
100.
100? Alright. Me, I would say probably a 5.5. Like, it don't taste bad, but it's just like super sweet. It literally tastes like somebody just put a whole bunch of gummy fish in liquid, let them dissolve.
I was playing with the neighbors.
You were playing with the neighbors yesterday? All day. Yeah. He's a little red. It was 80 degrees here in Western New York. 80 degrees again today.
We were screaming mud.
They're screaming mud?
Yeah. Screaming mud.
Yeah. And then,
Let's try this.
okay, we'll try this one. So yeah, it's just, the gummy fish one's just a little too sweet.
Let's take it.
So this one, Bean, here, let's show everybody, is the Starfruit one, right? Yep.
I got to open.
Inspired by Butters. Wait, you got us? No smell? Okay. Oh, alright, okay. That one must be good, huh?
Yeah, I really like that too.
Yeah? It smells a little bit of a... Let me try. Come on.
Should you?
Yeah, it smells like. What's it smell like to you?
Smells good.
It smells good. It does smell good. It smells like pineapple-ish almost. Pineapple, is that like in there mixed with the star fruit? Here, let's try it up. Oh yeah.
A star. A star.
Star fruit, yeah.
Star fruit.
That's good. Like little hints of pineapple.
The package.
All right, yeah, we'll get to that sec, bud. Here, let me finish this up. What would you give this one, Bean?
10,000.
10,000. So you like this one better than the gummy fish? Yeah, yeah. It's got like a little pina colada taste, almost like a very small hint of it. But yeah, this is.
We just see what's inside that package.
We will, bud. We'll get to it. Yeah, this is definitely way better. I would give this one probably about an 8.5 on my scale. Yeah, I'm probably gonna slug this one down after this. It's hot today. This one I'll probably put back in the fridge for a little bit. Finish this off between tonight and tomorrow. Those will be my G Fuels for the day. Yeah, so man, I hope. Well, if they get a hydration, which would you want? The gummy fish one or the starfruit one for a hydration? The gummy fish one. But you say you like the starfruit one better, right? Okay. All right, so that was that for the G Fuel stuff.
Let me get the package. I got the package.
Hold on here. Got it?
Ooh.
Yeah. When we just had room, now we're back out of room again. So here, this is from Yasir. What do you say to Yasir for sending it to you, bud?
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Yasir. We're in the works of trade that we both won in raffles. Ooh. Ooh, what's that?
Oh my god. I think that. Oh, this is already open yet.
What is it?
It's cool. Look at this style.
So it's little Star Wars Funko. Looks like Mystery Guys. Star Wars. Yep.
They were.
Oh yeah. Oh my god, why can't I remember his name right now? From the end of I Have Spoken. God, that's me failing on that skill right now. I can't remember the name.
I'll get another one next.
I Have Spoken.
Oh my god. I think I want to get Grogu.
You think you want to get Grogu?
Yeah. He's my favorite guy.
Grogu is? Mando's not?
Yeah. Oh yeah. I think Grogu's in here. Definitely Grogu's in here.
You definitely think that's going to be Grogu?
Yeah. Oh, take it. Oh, no.
It's Cara Dune.
Oh yeah, it is Cara Dune.
Show everybody. Cara Dune.
Yeah, maybe get the last one.
These are cool. You can set these up next to IG over there. We'll probably set IG up next to Luke. We had to move Luke for a second here. Oh, look at that! It's a different one. Wait, no, it is the same one. But you had the head spring up on that one. It's funny. We were like, oh yeah, we'll set them next to IG, and you got another IG.
Let's get this thing now.
Okay, hold on. Wait, chill. Alright, so this...
And a bag.
Oh, it's a Target bag.
Yeah.
Get the bag out.
Oh.
Oh! What is that? Little candies.
Oh! Sorry for the candies.
Are you Mystery Grail now, this year?
This inside here.
So here, I'll just show everybody. There's a big Target bag full of stuff.
Yeah. Oh!
Ooh.
Oh, this is so look at this, guys.
So it's a whole bunch of just random little
Toy.
like figures. Look at he's cool. Like I don't
Oh my god.
I don't know like
he's a fish.
who half these people are gonna be, but
Joker.
so they're like little figures like this.
Hey, look at this.
So this is a Garbage Pail Kid, right? I think.
Oh my god, there's a There's another crocodile.
Oh, another one? So you got two. You want to take one of Mommy's? Yeah, let's see. Who's this? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, there were a whole bunch of... There were a couple in there I saw. I was like, oh, he'll definitely... But I was like, yeah, some of these ones I definitely do not know. So does this mask actually move? Oh, Bean, it does.
Oh!
That's cool.
And this takes off.
Oh, that fell off?
No, it takes off.
Oh, it takes off from where? Oh, was it a magnet? Where was this? Here? You sure? I think that was supposed to be on there still. If you guys, anybody, if you watch this, if you know any of these characters' names, let us know. Because most of these...
I think it's...
Oh, the flashlight comes out? Ooh. Yeah, no, put the flashlight back in so we don't lose it.
Oh my god. Look at this.
Oh, cool.
That's scary.
That's scary.
Yeah. It's like screaming.
You show, was this the Joker one? So this one's cool. Looks like
Yeah.
Joker.
This is the Joker.
Here, who else we got in here? There was one, there were a couple in here. I think the Joker one was one of them, I think I saw.
Wait.
There was one in here that was really cool.
Oh!
It's another Garbage Pail Kid, I think. Snot Rocket.
Oh. Oh.
Another Garbage Pail Kid coming out with a skull. Show everybody that one. That one looks cool. Where's... Oh, no, that's not it. Oh, look at this one, Bean. He's cool. Oh, he's really cool. That's probably my favorite you've gotten out of that one.
My favorite is definitely this.
That one? The rainbow one? Here, let me see. Here, let me see.
Oh my god. You'll never see this.
Oh, he's cool.
He's raining.
Let me see. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, I think I see.
Yeah, there's a plethora of them in here. Oh, let's get this back in here. That's cool.
That's a lot. Oh. Oh.
What's that one? Looks like clear.
Yeah, it's okay.
Oh yeah, don't lose that. That was a little piece that we... Wonder, does he open?
I think so.
I think so. I think, hold on. If he does open, I think you can fill him. Maybe? I'm not too sure. That'd be cool if you could fill him though. Like make him whatever color you want to.
Oh. I got a knife, guys.
Oh, there is another devil in here. Oh, where is it, Dean? There was one in here that I was like, oh, that's gonna be awesome. Oh, he's cool.
He's a double guy.
Uh-oh.
This one.
You see her? Uh-oh.
Oh, this one.
Did you already take him out, buddy? Maybe not.
I know.
So there was...
I want to get one of the
There
kids.
is one that looked like a xenomorph. Or at least I thought it looked like a xenomorph. That unless I was looking at the picture wrong. But I'm not seeing him in here if he was in there, bud. This guy's cool. Look at that guy.
Oh.
Just mow on the candy. So not too many. There's like a couple more of the same one in here, bud. Oh, purple with dragons. Show everybody.
I think it's about.
So there's another devil guy in here. Yep, it's another devil guy. So you can have, see? You take one of these ones to mommy too. Because you got two devil guys, you got what, two other guys of the same one? His head's just buried in the bag right now.
Oh, they wait for this one.
Well, you already got that one, right? Oh, kind of.
It's
Yeah, this
slimy.
red one with green on it. So, guys, like I said, if any of you guys know what these characters are,
Oh.
just let us know in the comments,
Oh
please.
my god.
What's that? Oh, he's cool. Little.
Has the bucket come out?
Ooh, no! Don't pull too hard. I don't think so. Maybe. Yeah, because if they don't come out, buddy, you don't wanna break them. Another Garbage Pail Kid. So like I'm just assuming that these ones are Garbage Pail Kids, the ones that look like this. Uh oh, Bean. His head comes off, I think. Oh!
Oh my god!
Guys, it's the time old tale, but it's not a Funko. If there's a brain in the head, there is one in this one. Alright, here, you wanna finish sifting through these, bud?
Oh my god, that's so good.
Here we got a couple more. What's in here?
Oh my god, see a witch thing.
Oh, there's a witch one, looks like, right? Put the bag out. There! Chuck it! Alright. So, yeah, a couple more. I don't know if you showed the little dragon purple guy. What's this one? Definitely a witch one, or wizard, whatever. Looks like riding on a broom. That's cool. We'll have to see if we can't get him, like, to hang somewhere. Yeah, the brain guy's cool.
See his brain come out. Oh!
Ooh, you got it out? Nice. You'd be a pro at operation, bud.
The brain can't open though.
Here, put it back in there so we don't lose the brain. Put him in sideways. Sideways. There you go. Good job. Good job. Yeah, I think that's the last one.
No!
What?
How did you scare me?
It's scary. This one? Out of all these ones, this is the one?
No, that scared me.
Why this? Out of all of them, this is the one that scares some guys. Well, this guy's cool. So, correct me if I'm wrong, like the bigger guys, Garbage Pail Kids, right? Yes, no, maybe? And then any of these other ones, the little bunnies and such, if you know what they are, please let us know.
Look at that.
Yeah? Where's that, yeah, this guy, I think this guy is like the coolest one, Bean.
My favorite is this.
That one? Okay, here, you put them up, I'll put this one up. So those are cool. Those are the two winners out of this bag. And the one with the mask.
This.
Yeah, that is cool. Nice little feature. Reminds me of, oh my lord, The Purge is what it reminds me of.
Oh!
Cool. Alright, so you want to give a shout out to Yasir again for that?
Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, Yasir. Very cool.
Is this guy?
These will probably end up on
Oh! His brain's to go.
I don't know if they'll end up on a lower portion of the Venomized shelf or a different shelf for them. Probably a different shelf, though. Cool. Alright, Bean. You want to tell everybody thanks for watching? Because
Thanks for watching.
that's all we had for you folks today. So we wanted to show you guys the little GameStop grabs really fast. The G Fuel testing, and then open up the little care package from Yasir, which again, definitely appreciate, bud. We'll work on the possible trade too, so. Alright. Alright, bud. We're closing out here. So we will catch you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, if you know any of those characters, please let us know. And we will see you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye, guys.